Brad Biznett here with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Brandon from PE Equipment. How are you doing today, Brandon?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, but I don't really know much about PE Equipment, so tell me what you guys are all about.
Well, we're a company from Kalispell, Montana, and we specialize in producing a waterline installation and replacement tool.
PE Equipment's been around for 5 years, but you're developing the product for a little bit, so the PE-10's been out for about 2 years.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, and I think we brought Jared with us today. He's kind of the tactician for the PE-10,
Yes.
so we're going to let him walk us through the specifics of the machine.
Yep.
Treat me like I don't really know what's going on here, and give me the basic rundown of what the PE-10 does.
Okay, it's a modular pipe bursting machine. It's run by hydraulics. You can run it off auxiliary hydraulics off your skid steer, mini excavator, or power unit.
Okay.
Right now it's set up to do pipe bursting, so you'd run a cable through the water line and pull the cable through, and it's going to pull a head in and burst the old pipe and pull in a new pipe behind it.
Okay.
If that doesn't work out, we have a rod pusher module where you know, sometimes the pipe is broken or kinked and you can't get a cable through it.
Sure.
So then we have another option where you can switch out this module and use rods and push through and then hook up to the pipe and pull it back. It's a little bit slower, but sometimes it's what you got to do to get it done.
Sure. So I'm semi-familiar with pipe bursting equipment in the industry, but this is kind of two machines in one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's two machines in one just to make sure you get the job done.
And at what point did you guys have the idea, like where did that idea click that, hey, we could do two in one?
Just doing a lot of jobs out in the field and seeing that like you can't always get a pipe through or a cable through the pipe and you have to redo it. And
sure, okay. You're not just stuck and like,
exactly.
This isn't working, we got to bring in something else.
If it doesn't work, you don't got to go back and get another machine from the shop or figure out a different way to do it. You've got everything in your toolbox to do it.
Excellent. Do you mind running through like kind of how you can switch things out?
Absolutely.
And show me the specifics?
Yep. So we're going to pull off this rear cable guide, and then you can pull off that pipe splitting plate.
And you got a nice handle here right there. Yep. Okay.
We're going to take the center module out. We're switched over now. We have our guide plate on the front and the rod locking mechanism here. You're going to stick your rod in. They lock into this like that. Push your rod out and start adding rods and keep going.
What job would cause me to want to make that change in the field?
If you had like a broken water line that you couldn't get a cable through, or a kinked water line where you actually couldn't pipe burst it and then you want to switch over, or if you're going where there's not an existing water line, you can actually just push a new hole in and pull in on a new line.
Perfect. And then again, super convenient, modular. You don't have to go back to the shop to get a different machine. Or you don't have to go back to the truck, kind of transport anything.
Absolutely.
Or anything like that. Where can somebody, this is awesome by the way, I appreciate all the info and the demonstration. Where can somebody go to get more information about PE equipment and specifically the PE-10?
PEequipment.com, and we have some videos on YouTube too.
Perfect.
I think that's it.
Awesome. Thank you, Jared.
Thank you.
Take care.